to the next point. We should ensure whatever we see is clear.
That means work is being done. We can see that it is in opposite direction.
My great students, I, Mr. Yakub Fidelix, welcome you again into another moment of our lesson. We are continuing with our topic, simultaneous linear equations. And the subtopic is methods of solving simultaneous linear equations. Today, we are still considering the elimination method, example number 3. Before we go further to find the solution of this, my dear students, I want you to recall there were 2 basic rules I gave you right from the inception of this lesson under elimination method. 1, make sure the equations are balanced. It's very, very important. You can choose to balance either of the 2 unknowns, either x and y, or any of the 2 unknowns given. Then number 2, if the signs of the balancing terms are the same, you subtract the equations. For instance, if they are minus minus or plus plus, that shows they are the same, you subtract the equations. And when the signs of the balancing terms are different, then you have to add the equations. For instance, minus plus or plus minus, you add the equations. So by recalling the 2 rules, then we can now find the solution or go forward to find the solutions of these equations. And don't forget, each example of simultaneous linear equations under the elimination method are different. The first example we worked was different from the second one, and the second one is also different from this third one. The equations are: solve the equations 2x minus 3y plus 2. 2x minus 3y plus 2 equals x plus 2y minus 5 equals 3x plus y. I take that again. 2x minus 3y plus 2 equals x plus 2y minus 5 equals 3x plus y. Let's find the solution of this equation. Now, when this type of equation is given, my dear student, what you need to do, you name the first one A, name the second one B, name the third one C. I take that again. Name the first one A, name the second one B, and name the third one C. Then this is the rule that you are going to follow. Either A equals to B, or B equals to C, or A equals to C. I take that. A equals to B, or B equals to C, or A equals to C. But I pick A equals to B to form the first equation. Now, the equation A is 2x minus 3y plus 2. 2x minus 3y plus 2 equals to B. And my B is x plus 2y minus 5. X plus 2y minus 5. So this gives 2x minus 3y plus 2 equals to x plus 2y minus 5. Now, collect the like terms. By collecting the like terms, when my y plus x crosses to the left becomes minus x. Y plus x crosses to the left becomes minus x. So that gives 2x minus x. Then, also, y plus 2y crosses to the left becomes minus 2y. Y plus 2y crosses to the left becomes minus 2y. So I have minus 3y minus 2y. Then, on the right, I am left with minus 5. On the right, I am left with minus 5. Then on the left there, when plus 2 crosses to the right becomes minus 2. When plus 2 crosses to the right becomes minus 2. So I now have 2x minus x minus 3y minus 2y equals minus 5 minus 2. By simplification, 2x minus x gives x. 2x minus x gives x. And minus 3y minus 2y gives minus 5y. Minus 3y minus 2y gives minus 5y. And the right now, minus 5 minus 2 by the idea of directed numbers gives minus 7. By the idea of directed numbers gives minus 7. And that forms equation number 1. Next, I pick b equals to c. I pick b equals to c. And what is my b? My b is x plus 2y minus 5. X plus 2y minus 5 equals to my c. What is my c? 3x plus y. 3x plus y. So that gives x plus 2y minus 5 equals 3x plus y. By collecting the like terms also, I have 3x. When plus x crosses to the right becomes minus x. When plus x crosses to the right becomes minus x. So that gives 3x minus x. Also, I have plus y. Then, when plus 2y crosses to the right becomes minus 2y. When plus 2y crosses to the right becomes minus 2y. Then I am left with minus 5. I am left with minus 5. So that gives 3x minus x plus y minus 2y gives minus 5. By simplification, 3x minus x gives 2x. 3x minus x gives 2x. And plus y minus 2y gives minus y. Plus y minus 2y gives minus y equals minus 5. So the equation is 2x minus y equals to minus 5, equation number 2. Now, bring the two equations together and solve them simultaneously. Bring the two equations together and solve them what? Simultaneously. So, x minus 5y equals to minus 7, equation 1. And 2x minus y equals to minus 5, equation 2. Then recall, make sure the equations are balanced. By looking at this, the coefficient of x in equation 1 is 1, and the coefficient of x in equation 2 is 2. They are not the same, so that shows the x is not balanced. Also, the coefficient of y in equation 1 is minus 5, and the coefficient of y in equation 2 is minus 1. They are also not the same. Also shows that y is not balanced. So now, recall the first law, which says make sure the equations are balanced. Now, I choose to balance y. And if I choose to balance y, that is to say, to balance y in equation 1, I must multiply the equation 1 by minus 1. I must multiply the equation 1 by minus 1. That means the coefficient of y in equation 2. The coefficient of y in equation 2. Also, in equation 2, I multiply that by minus 5. Equation 2, I multiply that by minus 5. That is, minus 5 is the coefficient of y in equation 1. Minus 5 is the coefficient of y in equation 1. So by doing that, we shall have minus x plus 5y equals to 7. I'm going to have minus x plus 5y equals to 7. I name it equation 3. And also, I have minus 10x plus 5y equals to 25. Minus 10x plus 5y equals 25. I name it equation 4. Now, you can now see that in the two equations, the coefficient of y are the same. Plus 5 in equation 3 and plus 5 in equation 4. Which shows that they are balanced. Now, recall the second law, which says, when the signs of the balancing terms are the same, subtract the equations. Subtract the equations. So now, we can now see that I have plus 5 in 3 and plus 5 in 4. So the signs are the same. I now say equation 3 minus equation 4. You can also choose to say equation 4 minus equation 3, you all arrive at the same answer. Now, minus x minus, look at minus x is written there, then minus the equation. That means equation 3 minus equation 4. That is why you can see the second minus sign there. Then minus 10x is now equals to 7 minus 25 equals to 7 minus 25. Now, the two middle signs in the bracket, minus minus becomes positive. Minus minus becomes positive. So, I now have on the left minus x plus 10x, minus x plus 10x. And by the idea of directed numbers, that will give us 9x. That will give us 9x. There on the right, 7 minus 25, the answer is minus 18. 7 minus 25, the answer is minus 18. To find the value of x, we are going to divide both sides by the multiplier of x, otherwise known as the coefficient of x, which is 9. So I now have on the left 9x over 9, and on the right minus 18 over 9. And 9x divided by 9, the answer is x. The answer is x. Then minus 18 divided by 9, the answer is minus 2. Minus 18 divided by 9, the answer is minus 2. So your x becomes minus 2. To find the value of y, we are to substitute the value of x in equation 3 for y. However, not my student. To find the value of y, you can substitute in any of the 4 equations and you still arrive at the same answer. But I pick equation 3. And equation 3 is minus x plus 5y equals to 7. Minus x plus 5y equals to 7. So what is the value of x? The value of x is minus 2 from our calculation. So look at the first minus times the value of x, which is minus 2. I put that in bracket for clarity. Plus 5y equals to 7. Plus 5y equals to 7. Now, minus 1 multiplied by minus 2, the answer is 2. Minus 1 multiplied by minus 2, the answer is 2. So 2 is written there. Plus 5y will give us 7. Now collect the like terms. We are going to have 5y on the left equals to 7 minus 2. Why is it minus 2? Because y plus 2 crosses to the right becomes minus 2. So on the left now, I have 5y equals to 7 minus 2. And 7 minus 2, the answer is 5. 7 minus 2, the answer is 5. Now, the equation is 5y equals to 5. The equation is 5y equals to 5. To find the value of y, we are to divide both sides by the multiplier of y, which is equals to 5. So the left now becomes 5y over 5, and the right also becomes 5 over 5. The left becomes 5y over 5, and the right becomes 5 over 5. 5y divided by 5, the answer is y. 5y divided by 5, the answer is y. And 5 divided by 5, the answer is 1. 5 divided by 5, the answer is 1. So our y is equals to 1. Conclusively, my dear student, our x equals to minus 2, and our y is equals to 1. Before we close for the day, my dear student, I have an assignment for you. Solve the equations. 2a plus 3b minus 1 equals 3a plus b plus 7 equals a plus 2b. I take that again. 2a plus 3b minus 1 equals 3a plus b plus 7 equals A plus 2B. Please ensure you work this assignment and practice harder. The references of my research are New General Mathematics by M.F. Macrae, Z.I. Chima, G.U. Gerber, and et al. Number 2, Mathematics Questions and Answer, tag as Q&A, WAEC. Then number 3, Mathematics Clinic by Bakare L. Ni. I remain Mr. Yakubu Fidelix. You can get me through this contact as usual, 080-2525-5287. Yakubu Fidelix, 080-2525-5287. Stay home, stay safe, and keep learning well.